this edition of Driving Intelligence, I'm going to change the transmission fluid in this 2006 Cadillac CTs-v. I've done this once in the past at about 54,000 miles, and I used the Royal Purple standard automatic transmission fluid, and I was surprised, shocked to actually get 3 miles per gallon improvement. This time I'm using their Synchromax version, and I'm hoping to see similar results. One of the reasons I use the Royal Purple, I did some research on the internet and found out that many people who have problems with the shifting in this transmission went to Royal Purple and saw a significant improvement in shifting. So my goal was to improve shifting versus seeing any MPG increases. I'll take you through the change in this car, and at some point, maybe in the future, I'll indicate what the actual performance improvement is in terms of miles per gallon. The fill plug is on the driver's side of the transmission and uses a 3/8 ratchet to remove. The drain plug is also the temperature sensor, and all you do is remove the temperature sensor electrical connection and then open up the drain. But the first thing you should do is make sure that the fill plug comes out easily. Otherwise, you're going to be stuck if you can't refill the transmission. This is about 30,000 miles worth of use on this transmission fluid. It is milky brown, so it definitely was time to change it for better performance. As usual, I dispose of this in a proper way.